I'd like to officially welcome you to this course, NodeSQL, PostgreSQL, Mastering Backend Web Development. Great thinking on taking the dive into backend web development. It's one of the most sought after skills, since companies rely on the backend for the core of their services and products. What can you expect from this course? Well, this course has one goal in mind: to get you to confidently add NodeJS, SQL, and PostgreSQL as skills to your resume and new items within your coding skill set. If you've already learned a little bit of either Node or PostgreSQL, or both, then consider this course a nice refresher for the concepts. This course is a project-oriented tutorial, so topics will be introduced on a high level by explaining what key terms mean and what main topics cover as we build projects and go along. Once we get an understanding of concepts, we'll solidify that again by building our projects together. Altogether, we'll build 3 full projects. First, we'll make a backend server with Node to understand the essentials and build a foundation. Second, we'll step up our game by mixing in Express to build a full API. Next, we'll explore SQL and PostgreSQL to build another foundation on these backend database tools. And third and finally, for our projects, we'll build a full backend server and API with Node and Postgres, bringing all the concepts together. That way, we'll learn how to effectively manage and serve up data for web applications. All right, with that, let's get ready to learn Node, SQL, and PostgreSQL, and get started coding.